Melissa from Pride Media. We're here at Pioneer Church interviewing Jack from the Gender Health Center. She's also doing Cover California. So we're here interviewing her. Tell us, what can people get from these town hall meetings?
So people can come here at the town hall meetings and learn about the health exchange in California, which is Covered California. The health exchange is what was created here in the state of California under the Affordable Care Act. And folks can get some general information, and then after we're done with our presentation, they can sit down and talk one-on-one with a certified educator and get that individualized information of what is actually going to be offered to them, what kind of health insurance plans they can pick from, and importantly, how much they're going to be paying for those plans.
Cool. So who is welcome to attend these meetings?
So anybody can come and check these town halls out. We are doing outreach and education for Covered California. We do focus on the LGBTQ community, but you do not have to identify as LGBT or Q to show up and get information and get our services and sit down with us and enroll with us too.
Many people are discouraged by the media coverage of the problems of the rollout. What can you say about that?
I think that there have been a lot of misconceptions around this policy, and people who don't agree with the policy have done a really good job of telling us that things are all messed up in this policy, and people are having difficulty accessing certain things they think because of the media, negative media attention around this policy. But really, we're here. Covered California is here. Lots of folks doing outreach and education for Covered California is here to give you the information, and it's very accessible, and come and try it out because it's not always the case that it's messed up.
So, are you only covering areas in the Sacramento area?
So we at the Gender Health Center got this grant as a part of the LGBTQ Health and Human Services Network in California. And we specifically got this grant to focus on the LGBTQ community. So of the 11 organizations who are focusing on this community across the state of California, we are the northernmost. So we are covering Sacramento up to the Oregon border to do outreach and education for Covered California and the LGBTQ community. There are other organizations that maybe have other focus communities. So you can still access other community or other organizations outside of us, but we are the northernmost doing the work for the LGBTQ community.
And how long will these sessions be going on? Like how many more meetings?
So we have of this town hall series with Sac Pride Media and with the LGBT Community Center, we have 2 more town halls, November 6th at 6 p.m. and December 11th at 6 p.m. and potentially more depending if we just add more. And we also are doing lots of community events like this all over. So these are not like the only opportunities to come and get the information. We're always available for it.
Cool. And how important is it for people to attend these meetings?
You know, it's pretty important. Folks can still access all of this information online or by calling us, but a lot of people have been saying that they feel really confused because there's a lot of information, and so it's really cool because we kind of take the nuts and bolts of it and just give you some like really general information, like the important pieces of it in a 45-minute presentation, and then we get to sit down with you and talk to you about how it applies to you. So it's pretty important to attend one of these, but again, there's other ways to get the information, and we're available outside of this as well too.
Well, there you have it. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye.